You don't have enough time. It's all too much. You just can't take it anymore. Is this you or somebody you know? Are you struggling with that unexpected bills, that impossible work deadline, that school activity squeezed into an already full schedule, or even that driver cutting you off in traffic? Stress builds up daily, leaving you exhausted, anxious, and emotionally drained. But life doesn't have to feel like this. Imagine having the resilience to handle life's challenges easily and confidently. I'm Johan Nichols, a specialized trauma and anxiety counselor and founder of Silentia Specialized Counseling. Many people don't realize that help is available, or they think they need a specific trauma to seek support. But you don't have to struggle alone. With my unique approach combining neuroprocessing and trauma release exercises, I help clients release stored tension in the nervous system, improving resilience and emotional well-being.
I was emotionally drained for years, but after just 7 sessions, I was able to let go of my past and finally find peace.
I was in physical and in emotional pain every day. After just 4 sessions, my perspective began to shift, and I found the strength to move forward. After I joined the 6-week TRE course, I had the knowledge and skill to release the stress and tension from my body in the comfort of my home.
Why don't you take the first step towards a calmer, more balanced life? Schedule your free 20-minute consultation today.